Hello, my name's Corinne, and today I'm here to guide you through a Pilates-inspired abs and core workout. While the movements are based off of traditional Pilates exercises, I have added a fitness twist, such as using a timer to create intervals, so we are going to rest between exercises, and we're also stepping away from the classical order. That said, we are still honoring the key Pilates principles such as control, precision, and breathing. So, let's get into it. Exercise 1, single leg stretch. Lie on your back, curl your head and shoulders up. From here, you're reaching one leg away whilst pulling the opposite leg in. Give me 4 repetitions with your head, neck and shoulders up, and then another 4 lying down. Try to release and relax your hip flexors as you send the long leg away, and minimize any rotation or tipping of your pelvis. Exercise 2, we have an alternating single leg teaser. Lie on your back, arms overhead with your right leg bent and left leg straight and hovered off the mat. Reach towards your toes, then begin to articulate up, lifting your head, neck, shoulders and spine off the mat one bone at a time. Once you're at the top, sweep your arms overhead, then initiate the roll down from your pelvis, slowly lowering back down with control. Keep alternating between the right and the left. Exercise 3, reverse crunch. Lie on your back with your knees bent and ankles crossed. Inhale to prepare, and then as you exhale, lengthen your lower back and roll your pelvis slightly off the mat. This exercise is initiated from your abs and not momentum. When you hear the bell go, cross the other ankle on top. Exercise 3 is an ab pulse for 3 reps. Lie on your back, legs straight, toes pointed up to the ceiling and hands placed behind your head. Contract your abs to lift your head, neck and shoulders off the floor. As you pulse for 2 further reps, you want to lift up higher and then higher again before returning back to the start position. Exercise 5 is bicycle, or in the Pilates world, this is also known as Criss-Cross. Hands are placed behind your head, head and shoulders up. You're rotating to the right and left whilst bending one leg and extending the other. Anchor your pelvis to the mat and try to keep your shoulders lifted. Exercise 6 is a single leg hip lift. Halfway through, we'll be adding on a lift and lower of the opposite leg. Come up to seated, hands placed behind you, right foot on the mat. Push down into your standing foot and hands to lift your hips up towards the ceiling. Return back to the start position and repeat again. When you hear the bell go, keep your hips extended and start to lift and lower the left leg, just like the mat Pilates exercise shoulder bridge. Keep your hips still in space as you start to lift and lower your left leg. Watch out for any rotation of your pelvis. If you need to slow this down or make the movement smaller, no problem. Next up, exercise 7, side plank with leg raise. Let's do this one on the left side so the right leg is on top. Line your left elbow underneath your shoulder with your hips level and pelvis lifted. From there, start to lift and lower the right leg. Try to keep your body as stable and still as possible. The only thing that should technically be moving is that right leg. Simple concept, not exactly easy. If you need to modify, feel free to bend the bottom knee. Let's go back to the single leg hip lift. This time you're going to have your left foot down. At the halfway point, when you hear the bell, keep your hips extended up and start to lift and lower your right leg. Your hips are still in space as you start to lift and lower your right leg. Keep your pelvis stable and as level as you can. Yes, we have made it to exercise 9. So close to the end. Just so you know, we only have 4 exercises left. So for the side plank, come onto your right side. As you lift and lower your leg, again, try to focus on stability. Watch out for your pelvis rotating backward. That can be quite common with this exercise. Exercise 10 of 12, windmill. Lie on your back, shoulders off the floor and both legs extended up towards the ceiling. From there, scissor your legs, right leg down, left leg up, and then circle your legs all the way around back to the original scissor position. So for this exercise, there's lots of coordination. If you need help with that, repeat in your mind, split and circle. Okay, so it's a split and a circle. Halfway through, we're going to swap legs. Bring both legs back together and this time bring the left leg down. Then initiate the circle with the left leg. Exercise 11 is the half roll up. Lie on your back, legs squeezed together, toes pointed. Inhale, reach your arms up towards the ceiling, and then as you exhale, roll through your lower back to come up halfway. Lie down with control and repeat again. Last but never least, we have a plank leg pull. So make your way into a high plank, hands underneath your shoulders, abs and glutes engaged. On each exhalation, reach your leg back and up and alternate sides. This is another anti-rotation exercise, so really focus on keeping your pelvis stable as well as your shoulders. Remember, this is the last exercise, so embrace it, enjoy it, and I'll be back to meet you at the finish line. Yes, well done. You have made it through today's abs and core workout. Sit back on your heels. Let's just take a moment to reset and regroup. Slowly lift up off your thighs and then push your hips down towards the floor and just start to stretch out your abs. Perhaps move your body from side to side. Just do what feels good. Sit back on your heels, take a nice energizing breath in, and then roll up to seated, rolling through the spine, lower back, middle back, upper back, and shoulders back. Thank you so much for moving with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this session. For more workouts like this, be sure to check out my abs and core or Pilates playlist. Keep showing up, always do your best, and let's move together again on the mat soon.